Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Google Photos and confirming the exact account you used. Sign-in mistakes waste time. Once done, go to Trash. Items remain for 60 days, which is why acting now matters. If the photo is there, select it and use Restore to return it to your library. Make sure you don't confuse Archive with Deletion. Archive keeps files, but Deletion moves to Trash. If Trash is empty, proceed to recovery steps next. If Trash failed, inspect your phone and old devices. DSIM, pictures, app folders like WhatsApp often hold copies. Next, check other backups: Google Drive, automatic device backups, and any SD cards or external drives. Once you find a local copy, upload it to Google Photos. Click Upload or drag to Web on Mobile Use Backup and Sync. This recreates metadata slowly, so add timestamps or albums after upload to keep order. If nothing appears, move to Account Recovery Options. As a final move, if you suspect account issues, run Google Account Recovery. It can restore access to lost data. Once you regain access, contact Google support for deeper recovery. If you use third-party recovery tools, be cautious and check permissions. After any restore, immediately enable backup and sync and verify upload size and folder settings so future deletions won't be permanent. Troubleshooting tip: if uploads fail, check storage quota and internet. Freeing a few megabytes often fixes stalled sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.